Do you think making money is hard? It's not. What's hard is finding the right path. Now, what if I told you that millions of business owners in America are wasting 4 to 5 hours every single day on boring tasks? Tasks that you can solve for them in just 5 minutes. Don't believe me? Watch this video until the end, because I'm not going to talk about a simple business idea. I'm about to tell you a business secret. Think about a small restaurant owner in America. They have to make Facebook posts, reply to customer reviews, design new menus, and manage table bookings. These small but critical tasks eat up half of their day. They have no time to think about the real growth of their business. It's like they're trapped in a web of tasks with no way out. The magic wand that cuts through this chaos is AI automation. It means using artificial intelligence to automate all the small repetitive tasks of a business. And your business will be to become an AI automation consultant. Your job will be to find these tired business owners and save their time. And for this, you don't need any coding skills. You don't need a fancy degree. You just need to know which AI tool to use for which task. Look at this example. Before, a real estate agent sent emails to new clients manually, maybe 50 a day. Now, AI sends 500 personalized emails for them automatically. The result? Their sales tripled. Before, a gym owner would manually send class reminders. Now, an AI automatically messages everyone 24 hours before a class. The result? Class attendance has skyrocketed. This opportunity is right in front of you. The market in America is huge, but soon everyone will know the secret. The question is, do you want to be the smart person who gets in before everyone else? What did you think of this idea? Let me know in the comments right now. If you want to know which AI tools you can use to get started, write AI tools in the comments. I'll make the next video on that topic. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because the next video could change your life. Thank you.